What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's an exciting day. We're going to be installing the shiplap ceiling inside the bus. It's going to be a challenging process, but hopefully it's going to be well worth it. Let's go. So far all we have done is the bedroom, the shower area, and the toilet area with all the holes cut out for all the puck lights, including the two in the bedroom. You can see all this wood filler. That's all going to be sanded, primed, and painted. We really wanted to go for a flush, smooth look without having to see much screw holes at all. I still have a few left to do, and now we're going to start working on the front half of the bus. So let's go. So we're wrapping up the first coat. We just have the front half of the bus here left to do. It's turning out awesome. Everything just needs to dry overnight, and in the morning we're going to do a second coat, but this time we're going to roll it on. The reason that I used the spray gun was to get inside all the little cracks to make sure everything looked nice and uniform.